All right. Hey guys. Day 18. It was so long since my last stream that I almost forgot how it is done. It's how much it is. It's 11 days. So almost 2 weeks since my last stream. And why is that? Why it took me so long to stream again? It is because I try to do one specific thing outside of the stream because it was too boring to stream it and too hard to do. So I decided to do it offline, but I didn't realize how difficult it would be to figure it out how how this should work. So it took me 2 weeks. And also, we had some holidays in Czech Republic, so I wasn't working that much. But yeah, it took me much longer than I thought. And what I'm talking about? Sorry, I am talking about finding a list of valid dates for every possible combination from this form. So, for example, if I set up start date. What's up, man? Nice to see you again. Hey, nice to see you as well. It's very nice that even after 2 weeks you still join the stream and still watch me. That's nice to see. So thanks a lot. And I'm right now explaining why it took me so long to stream again. Because, like I said, to know every possible combination and with this recurring frequency, it was so hard to imagine what can happen, but I managed to do it. Maybe I just thought about it wrong. Maybe there is some simpler way how to do it. But the way I did it is this. I will first explain weekly because that's the most difficult part. Hi, how it's going? Hi, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. It's going nice. It's going nice. I'm a little bit tired because it's quite late and I worked until now from the morning. But yeah, but I told to myself that I need to stream today because it was too long since my last stream. So, what I figured out, right? The weekly part is so difficult because my first idea was to create cron time, right? But cron time doesn't support every other week. It just supports every week. And why is that? Because it doesn't know when is the start date. So because of that, it doesn't know if this week is like the week that it is not supposed to run, or if this week is the correct week that it is supposed to run. So that's why cron doesn't support different frequencies, and I'm not even talking about like every 5 weeks. So what I did is I created cron expression for every week at some selected days. Then I set up like this interval that will find every correct day in every week, and then I'll calculate it. This part was the hardest part, to calculate like when is the correct week. So correct week is, when you think about it, the the correct week is modulo of frequency of actual week minus start date weeks. And why is that? Because when you start, let's imagine it on some real example. Do I have weekly somewhere? Yeah, weekly. So I have start date, right? So let's say 23. And it's like this date is in some week of the year. right? And it's, for example, I don't know, 20. And this interval of the correct date is also in some week of the year. So let's say it's 23, right? And 23 minus 20 is 3. And if the frequency is also 3, then modulo 3, like modulo 3 is 0. This means that it's correct week. If frequency was 2 and the difference was 3, then modulo is 1 and not 0, and it's not correct week. And also, this works only for like all of other weeks, but for the first week, you just simply need to calculate the actual week minus start week should be 0, because if you have start week 20 and this date is in 20th week, then you know it's correct week. But man, like when I show it like this and explain it, I can imagine that it looks quite logic, right? Quite logical. But to figure it out in my head, it was pain. And maybe there is some simpler way, but I'm happy that I even figured this out, and it works very nicely. So I'm okay with this, and I don't want to change it anytime soon. So yeah, and the most difficult part was to figure out like what actual data I need, because I was in the beginning I was trying to create a current expression with the exact time, right? But then I figured out the exact time is always the same. So I only need dates, that's it. I only need dates, I have lists of dates, and it's at the same time in every date. So this was also quite difficult part to figure it out. But I somehow did it, and now it works. So if I set it up for, let's say, weekly for Tuesday and Saturday. Wait, maybe it's too little, the text, right? I forgot to stretch it a little bit. Give me a second. I will stretch my screen so you can see it. Give me a second. And now it should be better. Okay. Wait, this one. Now it should be better. So, let's say this is the example, right? So, oh no, it's daily. This one. This one. It's weekly. Start is 23 of the April. Start time is just, I don't care about start time because, like I said, it's the same every time. Then frequency is 3 and it should run on Tuesday and Saturday. So this algorithm should calculate that the start time, oh no, it should calculate that start date is this one, and from this one it should run every 3 weeks on Tuesday and Saturday. So this is the start date, and then it should calculate every week until current time. Then based on that it should know which week is correct. So this week is correct, I know it, and the date is 14 and 18 because 14 is Tuesday and 18 is Saturday. And after 3 weeks is also 4th and 8th because it's Tuesday and Saturday. But man, yeah. And why is it just these values? Because I set it by default that it's only 2 months to the future. So I did it. It is working, and I tested it very nicely. It's working correctly. And the same for daily values. It's exactly the same, but except weeks, I am checking days, and this calculation of the correct day is out of it, so it's much simpler. And month, every month. It was again a little bit more difficult because cron doesn't support every 3 months, because again it doesn't know the start, and so I had to calculate. Oh yeah, sorry, actually it does. Sorry, I have something in my mouth. It does support every 3 months the same updates, but it stops at the end of the year and it resets. So I wanted it to not reset at the end of the year. So for example, if the starting date is November, and it should be again on January, February, then with the normal cron, it would reset and it would run again in March. So with this, it is running correctly in the February. Okay, so that's the explanation of this super hardcore recurring time finder. And with that, when I set up some recurring event, with that I have then correct values. And today I want to do something with it. I was thinking how to do it because again, it's not as simple as simply showing it, because for every date, or actually at least for the first date, I need to save this date and save also attendance, like who is coming and who is not to this date. And I was thinking if I should just save this date, and then once this date is over, I should like save another date, and with this just have a list of one date, basically every time calculate the list but save just one date, which doesn't make sense. Or I think better solution is to calculate the dates, save all of them, keep history of all dates, and also keep history of all attendance of each event, so I can much easily calculate the size of the city, because as I said many times, there is this additional gamification to increase the size of the city each time somebody attend some event. So that's the plan, and and how to do it, that would be difficult, because I need like, also another thing that I need to figure out is if on the front end I will show just the next date, or there will be some way how to display like a list of the dates or all dates. I think it would be nice to display all dates, for example, for the next 2 months, but it adds quite big issue with how to display it, because like if I show my very ugly mockup, I'm like counting only on one date, right? And it's like this slicer is multiple different events. For example, this is for football, next one is for badminton and things like that. So I am not counting on it, and my idea was that maybe you can click here. I don't know if it's big enough. Click here, and it will show another screen with list of all other attendance, and you can click if you go or not. But another thing is that this this city should increase only once the correct event pass, because otherwise you can change it last time, right, and things like that. So that's another issue that I need to solve with this approach. But I think it's the correct approach, like to have a list. I think it's correct approach. Because if you know that you are going to the future, to the next 3 events, you can just click yes, 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 and then you just are there. But if you are not going, then you would have to click every time, and it can be a little annoying. So that's the plan. Okay, so that's probably how I will do it. But what to do today? There is two things that I can do. I can improve the design and prepare the screen, or I can fix the backend, because I have the calculation of the correct dates, but I am not saving them to the database. I need to save them to the database as well. But I'm kind of tired from working on backend for the past 2 weeks. So maybe I was thinking that today I will work on the front-end part. So let's work on it. So the first thing that I need to fix is this slicer, because for some reason it just doesn't work. Or I don't know, it works when you are slicing, but it's not working when you are clicking for some reason. So let's fix that. I have this swiper, like native swipe. Let's first try to Google if it has some solution for this issue. Maybe oh, quite lots of issues. Sorry, like I said, I'm pretty tired. I think I will stream only for like hour today. I just really wanted to stream. Don't use this lip. Okay, that's a nice issue. Okay. Okay, that's, oh, nice. That's actually really nice. Wow. Wow. Like, I like this. Last comment 2 months ago. First comment basically 3 years or 5 years, okay. But still, this looks much better than this. Yeah, this guy, I will put a thumbs up there because he is right. Yeah, that's another solution. I was looking at it, but again, it's quite old, ugly. I want to try this one. It really looks nice. Is it loading or not? Hi, Philip. Hi, Sala. Sal. I hope that I said it right. Welcome to the stream. I don't know, it's not loading for some reason. Okay, let's try it. Only one weird thing is that it's loading pages. Hopefully it will not be issue. Okay, let's try it and then figure it out if we like it or not. So is it possible that you can mentor me in my web development journey? I mean, I was thinking about starting some or creating some how to say it, courses, and with that would be also like this access to my private Discord channel that I can answer all questions. Is this something that you would be interested in? Yeah, courses. Cool. I will probably do it because I think I have quite a lot to offer, not only in React but also in other stuff. But this course would be probably mostly on React focused. I think that's like the main issue that you would like to learn, right? If yeah, not backend, just React probably. And since I'm still learning React Native, I would feel bad about myself to create course for something that I'm also learning. Okay, another Czech guy. Nice. Welcome to the stream, Dominic. Okay, that's nice to know that I already have two guys that would be interested in some course. I think I will do it because I will have quite time for the next month or two. So it can be maybe nice to create some course for React. Okay, cool. Is there any way we can connect? Not for now, but you can follow me on X or Twitter, and you can message me there if it's possible. I think it is right. Yeah, if you will follow me on X, I have it. Yeah, I have a link here on the YouTube channel, and you can follow me and we can talk about it. Actually, anyone who is interested in some course for React, and then some channel that I would help you with some questions, then follow me and message me if it's possible. But I will see who is following me, and I will know from that because not that many guys follows me on X. Okay, yeah. So did I install it? Yeah. So let's uninstall this swiper because I really don't like it. And like that other guy said, just use different library. So how to implement? I need someone to mentor that I can get my space. Yeah. That would be possible. That would be possible. I mean, for sure it would be paid because you know, it would take some time, but yeah, it would be possible for sure. Okay, so usage here. Page viewer. What is it complaining about? Up next is missing. This is weird to add use memo like this. It's animated, and I would like to have it animated, maybe. Oh, wait. This one. But it should work even without it, so why is it not working? Maybe it's just type thing. Let's try it. Okay. It's not type thing. Okay. Please make it affordable. Yeah, for sure. It would be cheap. I don't know. I don't know how much, but it would be cheap. Man. So let's try it this way. Is there any scope for referrals? I don't even have the course yet, and you are talking about referrals. But yeah, for sure. For sure. There would be some referrals. I mean, I'm not expecting thousands of people, so if you will just message me and say, hey, this guy is from me, then yeah, you will get something as well, for sure. Or I would like to work under you. Actually, I plan to start my own company at probably at the end of this year. So maybe yeah, we can figure it out something. Actually, if somebody is watching who is also interested in some job, like to work under me in my company, then message me in the X, follow me there, and yeah, I can add you to my list, and once I will start, we can figure out something. Are you reading or coding? Okay, sorry. I will code. But it's so many commands. I need to also answer them. And also, Philip, do you have college degree or are you self-taught? I am self-taught. I don't have any degree. I just visited small course on programming and then learned everything on my own. Okay, so but now I need to code. So Maros is complaining that I'm not coding, so I need to code. Sorry. Maros said, so I will do it. Okay. Why is it complaining about this up use next? Wait. So React Native page view. Native page view. Page view. Use next. Okay, TypeScript is broken. Let me know what you expect so I can prepare. Yeah, we can message each other if you will follow me on the X. We can figure it out after. But man, what's wrong? So view, okay. Okay, where is the example? Here. So but I don't think I need it. This navigation panel, layout. Maybe that style is the issue. Maybe, I don't know. But it's probably not it. Ah, just missed it. It's not that. Duplicate it. Okay. Legacy not found in the URL manager. This is weird, right? Six, 3, 1. Maybe it's just some recent error. Maybe let's try to downgrade. Sometimes can help. To do. This seems like a whole lot of... Okay. Like when I'm looking at it, there is nothing extra that is similar to some app use next. It's just simple view. So I don't know why is it not working. It's using this navigation panel a lot. But it should work without it. I'm pretty sure. Like, yeah, this is the basic usage. Okay, maybe let's try to downgrade to this version. still not convinced that I'm doing something wrong. Oh. What is your Twitter handle? You can find it in my YouTube channel here on the main page. If you click on my profile, then this is it. The X. I mean, I really don't want to spend the whole stream fixing this bug. It looks like I'm the only one who have this bug. It's very uncommon. Yeah. Did you install it with Expo install? No, I didn't. Yeah, that's right that I'm using Expo, and that's probably the issue. Okay, so first let's uninstall it. Yeah. I'm still not used to using Expo. Okay, yeah, that was the issue. Okay, thanks, Dominic. Ah, but I still see nothing. Ah. Ah. Okay, okay. That can be because of the styles. Flex one. Mm. Yeah, that's true. But some libraries work even without it, and some not. Not sure how to know which one you need to install with Expo and which one you don't need to install, or what is it that yeah, like how you can know it just from the library. That is still not clear to me. You know what? I will maybe create new page. No. Because I have this feeling that maybe needs to be on separate page. The rule of thumb for me is to always install with Expo install. If the module doesn't need any linking, it will just work as regular npm install. Okay, yeah, that's probably right. That's probably right. Okay, I need to remember this because yeah, I'm just used to install everything with normal npm install. But thanks for information. That's nice to know. That also somebody is experienced with React Native who is watching the stream. That's nice. Yeah, where is the index? No, drawer. Yeah. No, screen. Name. Ah, yeah, exactly as I thought. So it needs to be on a separate page for it to work. Uh, mm, mm, mm. That's not best because mm, because I want there to have also this this new event button. How to do it? Or maybe I can create separate, maybe it doesn't need to have, or it doesn't need to be custom page, or maybe custom component is enough. Let's test it. But probably it needs to be custom page. How I named it? This one. I don't know, can it be just issue with styling? But it's flex one. This is flex one. It should be okay. Wait. Intro. It doesn't look like that there is something somewhere hidden. Then maybe this is good idea to finally change my view a little bit, because I wanted to do it anyway, to change from this drawer to tab and have the new event in the middle. That would fix the issue, right? Because every page here would be like a normal page. So I would be able to have working page viewer on separate page, and this new event would be here in the top. Yeah, but still it's weird. Let me quickly try to read the documentation again. If it really needs to be, sorry, a separate page. What time is it? Okay. Maybe that is why I'm tired a little bit. Wow, 6 likes. Nice. Amazing. Even so, you are not asking me. I still think that React Native is better, because if you learn React, you can use also React Native and also React. But if you learn just Flutter, and the language is, I think, Dart, if I'm not mistaken, then you can do only apps. And also it doesn't have Expo, it doesn't have this ability to swipe just JavaScript, so you would have to release the app every time. So in my opinion, React Native has many advantages instead of Flutter. Maybe Flutter is a little bit faster, but it's not as nice to use. And also another issue with Flutter is that it's not using the native components. It is using just the widgets that looks like native components. And with that, if you doesn't update your app for example 2 years, and if then somebody will use your app created with Flutter, it will look like the native components would look like the native components 2 years ago. But with React Native, it would always use the like current components, because it's using the native components. But to be sure, I was thinking that this can solve it. Oh! Oh! It did! Nice! So it was just a styling issue. Okay. That's not the first time that I occurred this issue with React Native. In React, you can see everything exactly as it is. In React Native, it can hide for you. Okay, cool. So at least I don't need to swap to the tab view for now. But still, I want to do it anyway, so I will probably do it soon. Okay, so since it's working, let's add this. Sorry. Oh, it's working. Nice. By default. Cool. And now we have working swiper. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. Is there a possibility to add the buttons? But I can program it myself, right? The buttons. Cool. Funny. I'm starting to be really tired. I mean, there is not that much to do. But I can probably simply create like absolute positioned arrows and have the state just in the component, and once you click it, it will add 1 to the current index of the page. So that should be pretty easy to implement. Okay, but at least for now it's fully working. That's really nice. Oh yeah, now, oh, I really need to switch to that tab because it's now weird to have it here. Swiping and... Oh, okay. Maybe it's not that weird. But yeah, but still, yeah, I will switch definitely to tabs. Okay, so this is working. That's nice. I'm thinking what to do now because I am starting to be pretty tired and soon I want to finish. So what to do next so I can still do it before I will just fall asleep. So two things, I can switch to the tabs so I can like have it off my mind, or I can add the buttons. What do you would prefer to see? Wow, 5 people. Maybe it's too soon to go away, but I am pretty tired. Although I don't understand React Native, but I would love to watch and also manifest the same one day for me. I don't understand what you mean. What to manifest, but... Okay, probably buttons. Okay, so I will implement the buttons. So I already have this view that is absolute, so it should be pretty easy. Let's for now link. Oh yeah, let's for now to have it as text, so I don't need to find the icon. So let's say left, right. Okay. And this one is left 0. Okay. Bottom half. Okay. Cool. I mean, imagine me doing what you are doing right now. Yeah, you can definitely learn it. It took me like if I don't count the backend, then it took me three something years to learn React on my level right now. But if I count the backend and if I count like full stack, that I also did backend and frontend, then it's like 5 years already. And if I count even before that I learned just the CSS and the HTML, then it's 7 years of experience. But if you will focus just on React, I think like in 1 year you can be pretty good, in 2 years you can be real good, and in 3 years you can be senior and knows everything. Okay, so we have right and left. And now on click. Ah, it doesn't have on click. I forgot that I'm not in React again. At least I have on press here. Okay, so I need the state of index of the pages. Oh no. Wait. It's too big. Oh no. It works differently in React Native. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, here is something that is not here. Absolute. The issue is that I just realized that it's not working below the absolute elements, and probably it is because it's not working the same as in normal React, and it's adding the layer from the bottom to the element. Maybe. Let's Google it. Oh, I was already looking at it. Sorry. Wait, I have another idea. Maybe the view is breaking it. It's not it. Okay. So, if I'm correct, the last element is shown above the first. Usually that's how it loads elements to the DOM. In here, since the first element is absolute, the second element runs above it. When we change the order, loads on top. Maybe issue is the order. That would be too easy. Just to be sure, if I really broke it with these elements. Ah, I did not. Oh man. I'm complaining about React Native and it's It's my issue. Okay. Okay. Remember, always when you are debugging, try to look at it from different angles and try to really break to the absolute absolute minimum, working minimum, so you know that you did not make any other mistakes. And my mistake was that I kept there the another component that also had flexes 1, which meant it was half of the screen, and but it had 0 anything, so it looked like it's not there, and that was the issue. So it was not the issue of the absolute, it was issue of adding another component by mistake. Cool. So now, since we fixed this, let's add the index, page index. Set page index is let's say default is 0. What? What? Oh, where is it? Where is my swiper? Wait, did I something? Weird. Wow, 44 people clicked on this. Wow. Interesting. Okay, so hopefully now it will work. Don't know what was that issue. Page index set page index. Yes. What? What? What is this? Maybe the events are not loading. Okay. That's weird. Okay. So what the hell? It really doesn't like the name. No. Okay, that's another issue that I need to fix. Maybe is it because it's not memorized? Because in the example it was memorized. So maybe that's the issue. He also doesn't have it memoized here. Okay, let's continue with that, with those buttons. So that should have somewhere. I should have somewhere the like the sorry, I should have somewhere the number of pages and also the index of current page, and maybe it can be in reference. Oh. Ah, okay. But actually, I know the number of pages because it's number of events, right? So I can actually do it very simply just by altering the index to the maximum. Yeah, you will see. I'm too tired already to explain it. So if I click on the left, I want current index -1. And if I click on the right, -1. Finally got to some life. Oh, nice. Welcome to the stream. Today it's quite popular stream. It's interesting how many people are watching. Maybe it's because I'm streaming later, so it's nice to see. Okay. Oh yeah, I know. Wait, what am I doing? Oh man, I'm too tired. uh, I need to set the page. Oh yeah, and this is the method on the ref. Wait. Okay, this is working. Cool. Sorry guys. I don't think I'm able to finish this. I'm too tired. Idea is that I would have access to the current index. Wait, maybe very quickly I can maybe do this. Undefined, okay. I need to have access to the current index and then just click next and set the -1 index, and +1 index is pretty easy, but I don't think my brain is working enough to figure this out. So sorry about that. I will continue next time, but thanks a lot for watching, and at least we have the working swiper. That's nice. And next time, yeah, I will finish these buttons. I will switch them to some icons and have working. This is the proof that it will work, so that's nice enough. And also, I will switch next time to the top viewer instead of this drawer. That's also another change that I will do. And also I will save the list of correct dates to the backend, and so I can save to each date the list of attendants that will attend this event. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. I'm very sorry, but I'm super tired. Like I said, I started my work at 8 today, and it's 8 a.m. and it's 8 p.m. So I worked for 12 hours without any stop, and it shows now. Okay, so thanks a lot, and see you probably on Thursday, because tomorrow I have a public holiday. Hi, I'm back. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Welcome to the stream, but unfortunately, I am just leaving. Yeah, I'm pretty sad to do that because like I see that a lot of you are watching, but yeah, I can't push myself too much. So thanks for watching, and again, sorry that I need to stop without solving this last thing, but I am super tired, and I'm also pretty hungry. So yeah, thank you, and see you next time. Bye.